of water.
And kept him in the palace as her own son. Moses grew up to be strong, and one day he learned he was
Jewish.
He did not want to see his people working as slaves with a hard, sad life, so he left Egypt to become a
Shepherd.
One day when he was taking care of his sheep, God spoke to Moses from a
Burning bush.
and told him to go and tell Pharaoh to
Let my people go.